Shortful Anwar, Director Academics and Joseph International School, and my students, they know me. Thank you. Okay, let me introduce these people who came here, Catadu STEM. So they are going to talk about STEM today, and I hope some of you know about the STEM, which is going to enhance your quality, capacity, ability to survive. Principal Brother Chandon is here, so we are expecting you, brother, here. With your blessings, we want to start today. So you can. Okay, that's for yeah, bit too warm. Okay, so I hope
Thank you very much, Shortful sir. I want to give special thanks to St. Joseph International School administration and the club, science club, headed by Shogumi is here. We are grateful to our principal sir, Brother Chandon. We will be very happy if sir give us few lines for us.
Okay, once again, welcome to our school, and as we have already learned about them, they are from Catadu STEM Institute, and you will listen more about them during this session. From our school, we really welcome you. I think we have a number of personnel from your institute here, and they are here for you. That's the very important prospect of it. As you know, STEM is very well known nowadays all around the world, and based upon which the world is now and it will go on in future. Science, technology, engineering, maths. And there are many club activities in related to this STEM. And also in learning process, different types of curriculum, they are also taking initiatives how they can include them in your study, in your courses, so that you really learn through situations. And the situations you really face, the problem-solving competencies, and then critical analysis, and also the creativity. Being Cambridge students, you all know that these are the very basic factor in learning process, that you learn through understanding, and then it ends up with creativity. So that's what you, the A-level students, O-level students, you know the questions you solve, they are based upon that. And I hope that this session, and it's not only for today, it will continue. There will be many more students can involve in it. There are various activities, and maybe today you will have a kind of ice-breaking session, eye-opening session, that how, besides your academic section, your study, how you can be also involved. And it's a part of science club also. So there can be more workshops, seminars, and sessions in related to STEM. So once again, thank you all who are here today to participate, and the personnel from the institute. Catadu STEM Institute. Once again, welcome and thank you.
Thank you, sir. Let's go, sir. On your request, if you permit me, we can start. So we can start formally. At the very beginning, we want to share some interesting facts about STEM education. The first thing is here. According to the UNESCO, the world needs over 10 million new engineers by 2030. So those who are now teens, they will be in work life in 2030. So more STEM skilled people will be needed. Then we are going here, by 2030, 85% of the jobs that today's student will work have not been invented yet. So new innovations are coming. These are the fact actually, not hypothesis. These are the fact. Another fact I want to share. The country which are investing more in STEM research, they are the leaders in technology and innovation. Many countries in the world already, you know. The next one, countries with STEM education, they have the higher GDP. This is related to economics, but I want to enforce here another thing. So STEM can support local industries in our country, where we need more innovation and technology. In our country, if we think, especially for the national curriculum, the education system is not so updated. So we are not creating innovators and engineers. We are creating many people here jobless in our country. So in Bangladesh, reviewing the nation, improving the education, especially integrating STEM education with co-curricular activities. These are the just facts we are sharing. So in our country, we can do a bit by implementing STEM education. The thing is that, depending on this, we made a concept. We made a concept, discovering your passion, a certificate guide to co-curricular STEM projects. This is our concept. We made it. We experimented. We did it. We applied it to many non-institutional students. But now this is our turn. We want to implement in famous schools like yours. You know that St. Joseph International School, one of the best schools in Dhaka city. I think we can create a big impact using our concept. The main focus is here, discovering passion. We have 4 modules. We have here 4 modules. Number 1 is discovering passion. This is our focus today. I have given one image. Student, can you think why grandmother is laughing? Grandfather, why? Can you think? Just think. Why they are laughing? Grandfather is coming, so grandmother is happy? Not actually. Yet the main reason is that inhabitant of Okinawa Island, Japan. Okinawa Island, the inhabitants, they are the happiest nation in the world. They have a life of grandfather and grandmother more than 115 years. The reason is they select their passion in their early age. And finally, they take the profession aligned to their passion. So they are not stressed. They are very much happy. Good neurotransmitters coming from their brain to the body. There is good hormone. No bad hormones are coming. And when people are stressed, their life shorter. This is actually fact. The next thing. The concept is meant of, that one is Ikigai. I think you know it. Ikigai is a Japanese concept. This is correlated with passion, vocation, mission, profession. So today our turn is here, passion. Let's see. A book is written on this concept. Hector Garcia, he wrote this book after researching 30 years in Japan. Hector was a computer scientist working in Japan. He made this book depending on the concept passion. So passion is very, very important. You look here. So what is passion? What is passion? We can send the microphone as well. If anybody want to mention your comment, can you tell what is passion? You can tell, no problem. Something you like to do. Some people like to sleep more. Is it passion? Some people like to move here and there without any purpose. This is not the passion. Passion should be, you like to do, it should be purpose driven. So passion is, you look here, but you have to add more something. Then, when you have the passion, you won't be distracted. In the teenage, many students are distracted. They don't have purpose. They're misguided as well. So when you have the passion, you won't be distracted. And won't be bored. You won't be tired. And never give up. This is my concept. But here is given more specific information. You look here. Passion can be related to hobbies. So Mr. Tanvir is here. He is researching in Buet. He is passionate in maths. We will discuss later on how maths can work in Google Lens, right? Okay, this concept. He is researching on mathematics. He is passionate in maths. Why should you know your passion? This is theoretical. Find purpose and direction. I told you already. You love it, but it should be purposeful, right? Another one, boost motivation and engagement. You won't be tired. And your talent and creativity come out from your passion. Today's workshop, we try to explain the easy way how passion is working. And it leads to career you will be most productive. If you think about astronauts, if you think about Nobel Prize winner, if you think about champion in Olympic, they're the most passionate. They don't lose track of their time for other things. If you think about the best player in the world in football, many times, Lionel Messi, he was extremely passionate in his early age. So that for that one, this is passion. In our country as well, many people we can find. You know it already, just we are giving you. Never give up, so we overcome all the challenges and create a positive impact to the society. So our concept is here. You will select your hobbies, many hobbies, but which one can be leads to your career, create impact to the society. This is our target. So for that one, we made this concept. Now we want to worksheet to find your passion. This is quite easy. I request volunteers to distribute worksheets to all the students. You have to complete, taking help with your volunteers. Side by side, I'll help you here. This is individual activity. What you believe you will write, okay? Here, if you have the paper, I'll give you how many minutes? If you, any of my team, please count the time. We'll give you maximum 10 minutes. These are the 5.
increase the incentive of farmers to produce this crop by increasing the incentive, like by increasing the capital or financial capability of farmers. We can do this by encouraging our general people to invest in agriculture stuff, like invest on agricultural products or produce the capital goods, such as we don't have any sulfuric acid factories on Bangladesh. So if we increase that thing, so we can produce more fertilizers, so more quality goods we can actually have in Bangladesh. So agricultural problem cannot be.
So what technology you use?
So we don't actually want to include new technologies, but we could increase the quality of our technologies, such as we could use dams. As you can see, river erosion, that is in northern part of our country, that because of erosion, many croplands are being destroyed, so which is hampering our economy. Not only economy, it's affecting our reserves as well. So we have to import goods from foreign countries. That is.
Okay, thank you.
Combine all this into a cycle. How this works is that e-waste can be described as two parts. First is the recyclable parts, and the other is non-recyclable parts, such as plastic. For the recyclable parts, there are three subparts that we can further classify. For example, those three being semiconductors, lithium from integrated batteries, and other precious metals such as copper, gold, and silver.
Okay, we understood. Thank you. Thank you very much. No, there are group 3, right? A big clap for them. Photograph. The next one.